What's up, preppers? Community Prepper here. Today I'm doing a challenge. If I were to go out and have to hunt for my food, could I do it? I'm not hunting, but I'm fishing. So let's see if I can catch a sustainable meal so I go to bed with a full belly tonight and maybe some breakfast tomorrow morning. Stick around. We'll see if I can do it. It's a challenge. All right, preppers, here we are. We were at a lagoon in Carlsbad, California. I'm gonna try to put some of my fishing skills to practical use to see if I eat tonight or if I go to bed with a growling stomach. So let's see how long I have to fish for to catch something that would sustain me for a day or two. First cast, let's do it on the first cast. Okay, well, not much meat on these suckers, but come on, just chill. Chill out. Chill. I'll get you. There we go. That is a needlefish. I guess I could eat it if I needed to. It's probably about a quarter pound of meat on there. So after an hour of fishing, that's my meal for tonight. All right, preppers, so here's my takeaway. I had to catch a fish to eat tonight. Obviously I let it go because I'm not gonna eat it, but it took me over an hour and a half to catch one fish that probably had about a half a pound of meat on it. So yeah, it would have given me sustenance, but it did take me a lot of, well, I guess not too much energy to catch it. I probably burned a few hundred calories in casting and standing and just your basic metabolism, but at least I would have had something in my stomach tonight. Procuring food, if you cannot buy it at the store, will be essential. So learn to hunt, learn to fish, learn to farm, grow a garden, because you gotta eat. Thanks, preppers. Like, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Remember, like that fish, refuse to be a victim.